so much this week because I nearly gave myself a brain hemorrhage last week. Welcome back to North Valley Forge to show what we're up with. Got some leaves. We were making this fire pit for Danny Porter last week when we did the dragonflies. So we just got a few of these laser cut. What we're going to do, put a bit of a radius into these, so straight into ring roller. I'm just rolling that radius there and put a bit more pressure on. Let's say it again. To get the actual radius of the pit itself. So a bit more on that. Take it down to the back. A bit. That's just rolling that nicely away there like that. Then we go drill some holes in the centre of here. We're going to weld some 6mm round onto these. Just playing out a bit of an Eros gate for Keith Sharrett at the minute. Should end up with all bits looking a bit like that. So we're on with them for him. So back over here. And here's what I've got. Just going to put a bit of 6mm round and weld it through the back onto this. Watch your eyes. Go all the way up centre of that. Front back. And then once you've got that like central vein, it saves with whacking it with a load of chisels and getting it really hot. So then we stick them in the fire over here. I'm just going to get these tips nicely on, just so I can drain them a bit. Put a bit of life into them. Wow. That's hot. So let's grab that with a bit of boot on. Just folding them over and getting a nice shape. Cooling down a bit, so now. Quick stand off. Oh. We've got a bit of something like that. Let's take it over here. That's going to fit around there so that we've got the actual flower shape. And then we'll probably stick one of them dragonflies on it. So we've got that, and you drop your grill in. We've got the actual grill that fits inside it, so you can clean your fire pit out. Basically, that's what we've got for Danny Porter. So, anyway, here's a big shout out to Big Joe Borden from Burnley, who apparently were crying like a little baby on Monday night. Get well soon, pal. And everybody else, get yourself down here at North Valley Forge, Beckett Bob Swift City.